Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, J Ross, back with another video. Yes, I know I just did my own intro. Completely unique, but it is what it is because it's me. But if you guys watched my previous video, then you know why we are doing part 2 of the Declutter my p.louise collection with me. I'm actually going to try the products that I've had in my collection for a while now because I just love the packaging so much that I couldn't even use them because they were that beautiful. Don't judge me, okay? Yeah, what y'all not gonna do, and if you wanted to judge me, you would have watched the previous video and judged me there, but you're not gonna judge me now. Let me get this little reflection off of it. Can you not? Is that better? Kind of, not really. Okay, what about that way? There we go. Okay, cool. We are going to do a look that was requested by one of my subbies. She requested that I do a purple look because she's been trying to, you know, create a purple look on her olive tone skin. I'm not olive tone complexion undertone specifically, but I want her to know you can slay any purple look if you really want to, sweetheart. We got this. I actually put a poll up on my YouTube community post or whatever and let you guys pick the look for today. So, yay. You guys actually picked the look that I'm going to be recreating or trying to recreate, but you know, maybe add my own little shazazz in it because it's me. I'm different. I do whatever I want, period. It's my channel. So I'm going to be trying to recreate it, and I'm going to be using this p.louise Stack 'em Up eyeshadow palette. This is in the CEO Million palette shade. I won't say shade, I want to say it's the CEO Million palette. This is what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? And my favorite thing about this collection of palettes and pretty much a lot of the p.louise stuff that I have seen and probably purchased because the packaging and whole collection storyline and, you know, marketing behind it was so gorgeous is the fact that each of these embossments matches literally what the shade name is called. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do some swatches. All right, I'm gonna just hold my bracelet. Super pretty. So this is the shade Icon. Next up we have Empire. This is the shade Priceless. And then this is the shimmer shade Bankroll. It's not a pressed glitter or anything. It's just like a soft, it reminds me of like a glam light kind of formula. So that was the top 4. Let's go to the darker shades. We have Ambition, the shade CEO Million. Next up we have Driven. That's more of like that fuchsia shade, I want to say it's like a fuchsia shade. And then this is the shade Loaded. But this is the CEO Million swatches. And I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate this look that I was given. Except for the wing eyeliner part, that's not happening. Nope, I'm so nervous because it's so weird that I'm finally using these products. I'm not going to be using any of the cosmetic eye bases that everybody knows, like the Rumor or the Basic or anything like that, because I don't usually like those type of bases, and I really those go to you guys who want to buy them. So I'm not gonna waste a base for this one look and then never use it again. I don't want to try something new with a palette that I've never used before, so we're gonna stick with the Fenty Pro Filter and Flying Eye Primer. All right, so this is what the eye look looks like so far. I tried to make it work with what I had. I think it looks pretty good. I think so. In person, it looks really cool and really good, but I think it looks good on camera too. I could be wrong. I'll let you guys be the judge. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, go off camera, do my base, and then we're gonna come back, test out the blush. We're gonna test out the highlighter and the lip kit. So I'm going to be trying the Had Me Blushing blush duo little compact thing in the shade Love, Drunk, and In My Feelings. feels. So love drunk in my feels. Don't know why, but the orange one's calling me, so that's the one I'm gonna use. And y'all can fight me in the comments, as y'all probably already do. And that pigmentation was all there, sweetheart. I like that. I could build it up more, but I don't want to because I don't usually like building up my blush the way like everybody else be doing that. I don't feel like doing that. I haven't reached the jump on what everybody else is doing all the way trends, so I like my blush subtle like that. It's there obviously, and the pigmentation is there obviously, so I feel like we're there obviously. I was gonna try this Skin Bling highlighter, but I feel like I'd have an icy look, but therefore I don't have any other highlighter from p.louise, and I feel like I just have to do what I have to do. I might try it lightly and then top it with another highlighter, but we are going to try this highlighter because that's what we're gonna do. It's so golden. Let's go one light swipe. It's on the brush. I'm scared because I know I don't need that much. Okay, here we go. Because it's not gonna really match this look. Okay, I see it. Do y'all see it? Because I see it. So gorgeous, but this is not the right shape for this look, but I wanted to try it because that's what we gonna do. Don't act like y'all don't see that. Don't even act like you don't. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Summer Solstice highlighter. Let's go ahead and do this lippy kit because it's time to do the lippies. This is the Kiss and Makeup lip kit. This is in the shade Stripped and Barely There. Stripped is going to be our lip liner. Barely There is going to be our lip color. Oh crap, did I keep the wrong lip kit? This is a nude, but this isn't a nude I go for. That is a cute lip combo. In a weird way to me, because y'all know that's not like my usual lip combo. So I'm gonna take this, the Bad Batch Energy, and I'm gonna use the Stay Shining Lip Oil in the shade, or the scent Cookie Crumble. I'm not even mad, to be honest. I just don't do this lip combo a lot, so it's like different for me. All right, I'm gonna take this Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner from Wet n Wild in the shade Don't Be a Prune. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. So this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. We made it, guys. We made it. We made it. We made it. What do you guys think of this eye look? Because the more and more I stare at it, now I'm like, is this too much like my glam light look? And did I not follow, you know, the example as much? I feel like I did, but then I didn't. And now I'm kind of like, this deserves to be a better look. I feel bad. I like the look though. For the subby that requested this look, is this what you were kind of like looking for in terms of a look? Or did you want me to go a little bit more lighter, a little bit more pastelier? Like, what were you looking for? Because I want to make sure you were happy. Hopefully you were one of the ones that actually voted for one of the looks, and this is the look you voted for. So I'm hoping for this to be the first time I am trying anything other than the brow products from p.louise. The first time I am trying an eyeshadow palette from p.louise, and I've been shopping from them and hauling from them for a while now. I am very pleased with what eye look I came up with. I really can't wait to try these palettes. Which palette do you think I should try next? I think I'm happy with the overall look. I think I'm happy with p.louise and the products that I kept. I already know it's gonna be weird not having it's all laid out on this shelf. Let me know what you guys would like to buy from me. Don't forget to even check out the post that I do on YouTube. It will be in the community tab of my page, so that way you guys can, you know, take part in what looks I do next, what brands I declutter next, or what brand I try in general. But I have one more request to do, and then I think I'm pretty much free, since, you know, the subby Natalie, she accepted the, you know, Sunset on the Nile look as the sunset look she was requesting. So yeah, I got that one checked off. But I know for sure I got a little bit more stuff to get rid of, and hopefully you guys will want to buy that stuff.
Shut your mouth, Wild.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J. Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying the declutter videos, even though they've been longer than normal. But I feel like that's what people come to YouTube for now, is for longer videos and kind of pass the time while they're at work and all that stuff. Because short form is for Instagram. You know, I feel like long form of videos are for YouTube, even though YouTube's doing like YouTube shorts, but it's like, okay. I mean, I still post shorts too, you know, I might as well for those who aren't on Instagram or anything like that. But if you guys want to support my other brand, which is my overall production brand in general, which includes the J. Ross Beauty brand, please go ahead and drop your girl something in her PayPal tip jar. Name should pop up, and then I'll also leave the link down below for you guys. But yeah, please feel free to just, you know, throw your girl a little change here and there, you know, as she keeps growing and growing to more people and more audiences. Seriously, you guys are awesome, and I can't believe we have 600 plus of you guys on my journey with me. I love you guys, and I keep saying that, but y'all don't understand that I love you guys, and I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And as always, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.